According to the recent data, ChatGPT has over 300 million active users. And ChatGPT is already competing with Google by introducing the search feature. So the traditional method of SEO doesn't work anymore. What if there was an SEO keyword research agent which shows you not only keywords data but also how the intent of the information is divided, and also SERP results along with the words. It shows you keywords data across individual search engines. This keyword research agent shows you the queries which are used by most people inside the ChatGPT. Right now I'm inside Digital Force dashboard. This is SEO keyword research agent. I'll show you, okay? And there's a more coming: content gap analyzer and on-page optimizer. Now, this is all combined inside Digital Force, so I have to create unlimited workspaces for free just to keep it organized, okay? So there's this home section and workspace section, okay? Now, I'm gonna click on use now, and you have here keyword. It is asking me to prompt a keyword, and there is also a region. I'll let it be United States, and then language, English, I will let it be, and then domain. So initially it will ask you to connect to Google Search Console if you have it. And there's just two scenarios. One, if you want this AI agent to drive, analyze all the Google Search Console from your Google Search Console about your domain and give you a personalized plan or insight, then you can go ahead and connect to your Google Search Console. It's a one click. If not, you can still continue with connecting to Google Search Console. Okay, so I have connected my Google Search Console, which is one of the blog spot. Okay, now I'll go here and put a keyword. So my keyword would be, because my domain is all about weight loss, I'm going to put here weight loss. Okay, and then I'm going to select the range for Google Search Console to give me my personalized insight. So I'm going to let it be last 28 days or last 3 months. Okay, so the more the time the AI agent collects, the valuable insights it can give. Okay, now I simply click on find keywords and it is going to start the job. Okay, immediately within 1 minute it's going to show you every single thing. It's going to pull up the data from Google Search Console, analyze it and personalize it. So right now it is suggesting that this keyword difficulty is 87 and it has a search volume of 200k, and then $12 is average CPC, okay, cost per click. Now this is all good. What you want to look is, if you come down, you have this one of the amazing feature which is called hidden gems. It's going to tell you what are the game changer keywords, what are the reclaimers, what are the contenders, explorers and transporters that are obtained from your GSC. Okay, now I'm going to click on let it analyze everything. So it has done. So I'm going to make this as top. So see what it is showing me. So as you can see, it is showing me explorers. Now what I mean by explorers, like it generates unique keywords by analyzing trends in Google and ChatGPT, ensuring relevance and alignment. Explorers are more relevant, like you can say it's a specific, okay, it's a relevant keyword. There's a keyword categorization, of course you know this: intent, navigational, informational, transactional and commercial. Okay, now we don't want that, so let me keep this as normal, and you can see keyword difficulty you have, and the keyword difficulty rule. The less keyword difficulty, high search volume, that is the right keyword and big and right content. Now you have more information to the right side, okay, clicks, impressions, contextual theme. So this is all pulling the data from my Google Search Console. Okay, and the moment you click on it, you're going to get an option right here, and you want to click on discover search intent. Now it's going to do the job. It's going to take the time. You can see SERP intent, it is analyzing every single thing, so it will show you the process. Okay, so this is a process, so it's like a human performing certain tasks step by step. Okay, you can see it has all done. Okay, and what you want to do is, so let's look at one by one. So as obvious, we have seen this, and then keyword categorization, it's a navigational, and then it is pulling the data from SERP analysis and it is showing me all the SERP. Okay, it's the ranking, and you can see the words, number of words, okay, which is a good one. Guys, keep in mind here it is ranking 3 and the words are 273. That means this article is good enough and keywords are good enough. It is ranking at the top with the less keywords. So you can directly copy this, okay? Now, if I scroll down, you can see the share of voice. So they have written how to guide and they have written educational information and some other could be affiliate or reviews or product reviews. And then if I scroll down, you have options which is a Google, Yahoo, Bing and added LSIs. Added LSIs is our custom list, but if I go to Google, these are the keywords, top keywords, LSIs and semantic keywords, okay, which are ranking for the first page. Okay, now you can click on it and you can add to LSIs. Okay, you can click on multiple keywords and click on add LSIs and it will be added, and you can see the added keywords right here. Okay, now it is also giving you user search intent. Okay, now you can see methods for losing weight. What are the top articles, what are the search intent which are top keywords are coming for. Okay, methods for losing weight. So most people, in general, most people search for how to, like, some methods to lose weight, right? So that's the intent behind it. And then you also have support systems and programs which affiliate products are fall into this category. And then let me go back to Yahoo, and you can see it will give you, okay, Yahoo doesn't have keywords, so Bing has keywords. So you can see right here Bing keywords. So if you're writing articles for Bing, then this is one of the way to get the keywords. So which is interesting because if I scroll down, the people also ask section is directly pulled from Google. Okay, so with the image right here, you can see what is the most effective way to lose weight and all these things. Okay, so it is for very easy to write FAQs, guys. So I can simply click on arrow down, okay, and find the relevant. I can simply literally copy this, okay, take inspiration and rewrite this from right here. I don't want to go to Google. Okay, then you have user search intent, as we have seen. Okay, and this is the number one powerful data analysis done by this SEO keyword research agent software, okay, which is called ChatGPT powered optimization, and it is updated latest on February 1st 2025 as I'm making this video today. Today is February 1st. So guys, if I scroll down a little bit, you can see queries right here. Okay, so ChatGPT has introduced search feature. Okay, we all know many people dive into ChatGPT, open ChatGPT and directly search because it doesn't show ads. These are the queries that this keyword, okay, weight loss keyword, under the weight loss keyword, these are the top queries. Okay, it is showing me. If I click on view detail, you can see these are the top websites ChatGPT is showing for that particular query. Inside the ChatGPT, there are very specific questions. Okay, these are very specific questions. These are like FAQs. So imagine you do some back engineer, right? Add this as FAQs, add all this as FAQs inside blog article and copy what they are writing. Okay, what outlines they're using, what semantic keywords they are using, what long tail keywords they are using. Okay, I can go through every single query and see what the number one website is ranking, okay, for this keyword, for this particular long tail keyword. Now I can go here and show you a lot more. And then you have something more interesting, which is a pattern analysis for AI. Keeping in mind, if you back engineer, if you take this as a prompt and give back prompt to ChatGPT, then boom, you get the article, put it in a blog, submit to Search Console. So that's it. Now I know this is all big process. I don't want to, take this, give to prompt and rewrite. So I can simply click on generate outline and give it a moment and see how fast it will be done. Now guys, there's also option selected data. So what you can do is, if you're added the keywords from here, okay, from here to LSIs, you can click on selected data and it will create the outlines from the selected data. Okay, so as we are talking, it has generated a complete outline. Not only out, it is also giving some suggestions. You can see suggest a style. suggested theme, suggested keywords, all suggested. So it's like a random person. It's like a SEO expert speaking with you and telling you what to write and what not to write. And you can see bullet points, 150 words. And then for each outline, it is telling you discuss the concept of portion control and its significance in weight management. It's telling you everything, guys. So if you follow this entire, you don't want to use AI for this, you can simply go here and give a personalized answers just like you're speaking to a friend. If you do this, you can literally cross 700 words. You can also copy the content to the WordPress. You have also option to regenerate. Okay, so this is a Kiva SEO keyword research agent by Digital Force, and there are a lot more coming soon. So with that being said, the link will be in the description. You will get a free trial to use. Okay, if you go through my link, you will have 10 credits almost for free to use, and you can do that absolutely. And with that being said, catch you on the next one.